How to fix if Android is freezing or stopping randomly. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. After you open Settings, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, scroll down and click on Storage. And then click on Free Up Space in here. After you do that, it will free up some space. Sometimes having space issue may cause this issue as well. After you do that, you can go back, scroll down in Settings and click on System. After you click on System Updates at the bottom. After you click on System Updates, here you'll find this kind of screen. If there is any update available, make sure you update your system. Sometimes not updating your system may cause this kind of issue. Another thing which you can do is go back and click on Reset Options. After you click on Reset Options, you will find these options. Simply erase all data, factory reset, and you're good to go. This is how to fix if Android is freezing or stopping randomly. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.